Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In this tutorial, we're testing a Beauty Bay Rich Moisturizer Oatmeal Lipid. I've been testing this moisturizer for a week, and you know, it's winter and it's windy. You have a lot of dead skin and it starts, flaking, irritating skin problems that I tend to have when it's winter. So I've been thinking, like, what kind of moisturizer should I buy? I've been scrolling internet for a long period of time. Then I found this really cool moisturizer. I don't remember the price point, so it's going to be listed down below or somewhere on the screen. We're about to see in this video if it worked out for my skin or if it didn't. So if you're interested, then please stay tuned and let's get started. So sorry guys, but one of my files failed. I wore makeup twice this week, so first I used makeup remover and Daily Winter Deep Clean Foam Cleanser. You can use any foam you have, but this brand is Korean and very effective. I love massaging my skin during this procedure, but that's optional. On Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, I grabbed BWC Facial Clean Set to take off extra oil, as well as BWC Masque is the product you should be careful with. So I use 2 different types 3 times a week. One of my favorite products is a toner, and I apply one without any cotton disc with my bare hands, like this, slapping all over my face. Like slapping, sort of like. And last but not least is a moisturizer. The consistency is super thick, so be careful and start with last product. Unfortunately, my day 6 part 2 file failed, so I can't show you all of my videos, but believe me, they're all there. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was some sort of like not even a tutorial. This was a little bit different, but I'm gonna tell you that right now my skin is much better. I mean, I'm wearing a lot of makeup, so probably I would add some photo after I take it off and show you the final thing, the final result. If you like this video, then please let me know, subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, then let me know what you didn't like about this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.